Hello everyone, how are you? Today describe about most beautiful natural wonders in the world. With short descriptions and country's natural beauty is the pure, unaltered charm of nature or a person free from artificial enhancements. It reflects simplicity, authenticity, and harmony with the natural world. Beautiful natural places in the world. 1. Grand Canyon, USA. A vast gorge carved by the Colorado River, known for its layered red rock formations. 2. Great Barrier Reef, Australia, the world's largest coral reef system, home to vibrant marine life. 3. Mount Everest, Nepal, China, the highest mountain on Earth, attracting climbers from all over the world. 4. Amazon rainforest, Brazil, the largest tropical rainforest, rich in biodiversity and oxygen source for Earth. 5. Niagara Falls, Canada, USA, massive waterfalls on the border, famous for their breathtaking power and mist. 6. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil, a huge system of waterfalls surrounded by lush rainforest. 7. Sahara Desert, North Africa, the largest hot desert in the world, with vast sand dunes and unique landscapes. Ikanu, a Tantelope Canyon, USA, a slot canyon in Arizona with stunning wave-like rock formations. 9. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam, famous for emerald waters and limestone karst islands. 10. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe, one of the largest waterfalls, known as the smoke that thunders. 11. Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, Arctic regions, a natural light show caused by solar particles, seen in countries like Norway, Iceland, and Canada. 12. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland, dramatic sea cliffs overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. 13. Mount Fuji, Japan, a sacred, snow-capped volcano and Japan's tallest mountain. 14. Banff National Park, Canada, famous for turquoise lakes, snowy peaks, and wildlife. 15. Angel Falls, Venezuela, the tallest waterfall in the world, dropping from a tabletop mountain. 16. Moraine Lake, Canada, known for its bright blue water and surrounding peaks. 17. Blue Lagoon, Iceland, a geothermal spa with milky blue waters surrounded by lava fields. 18. Santorini Caldera, Greece, volcanic cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea, famous for sunsets. 19. Zhangjiajie National Forest, China, unique pillar-like mountains that inspired the movie Avatar. 20. Kruger National Park, South Africa, one of Africa's largest game reserves, home to the Big Five animals. 21. Komodo Island, Indonesia, known for Komodo dragons and pristine beaches. 22 Islands, Ecuador, a volcanic archipelago with rare wildlife studied by Charles Darwin. 23. Pamukkale, Turkey, white travertine terraces formed by thermal springs. 24. Serengeti, Tanzania, vast plains famous for the great migration of wildebeest and zebras. Atolls, Maldives coral islands with crystal clear waters and luxury resorts. 26. Perito Moreno Glacier, Argentina, a massive advancing glacier in Patagonia. 27. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania, Africa's tallest mountain with snow-capped peaks. 28. Lake Baikal, Russia, the world's deepest freshwater lake, frozen in winter. 29. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, a tropical island with turquoise lagoons and overwater bungalows. 30. Yosemite National Park, USA, known for giant granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. 31. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia, stunning turquoise lakes connected by waterfalls. 32. Uluru Ears Rock, Australia, a massive red sandstone rock formation sacred to Aboriginal people. 33. Matterhorn, Switzerland, iconic pyramid-shaped mountain in the Alps. 34. The Dead Sea, Israel, Jordan, a salt lake where people can float effortlessly. 35. Jeju Island, South Korea, a volcanic island with waterfalls, caves, and beaches. 36. Torres del Paine, Chile, dramatic mountains, glaciers, and lakes in Patagonia. 37. Great Blue Hole, Belize, a giant marine sinkhole popular for diving. 38. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, Brazil, Guyana, a flat-topped mountain surrounded by clouds. 39. Socotra Island, Yemen, known for otherworldly dragon blood trees and rare biodiversity. 40. Rice terraces of Banu, Philippines, ancient stepped terraces carved into mountainsides. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.